Zaga Empire.
But I don't sleep enough without you, and I can't eat enough without you. If you don't speak, does that mean we're through?
Hey guys, it's your girl Gigi, and I'm back with another video. And today I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my lips. So if you want to see, then keep on watching because I've got it all in the bag today. Okay, so I'm back and I got the stuff that we need. So let's get into it. So basically, we're going to be using lip gloss, of course. We're going to be using this absolute long-lasting lip gloss that I got. I don't know if you guys can see it. Yeah, I'm meant to be using this lip gloss. And I'm also going to be using this eye pencil. What's the eye pencil? David's eye pencil or eyeliner. You can use it as any of them. But it's basically, this is what I'm using basically. So you can also get it. I got this, I forgot how much I got it, but I know I got this for a cheap price. Yes, so without further ado, let's get into it. But before I do that, I want to sharpen my pencil because it's kind of blunt. I don't know if you can see, but it's blunt and I need to sharpen it. So I'm going to sharpen it first, and then we're gonna get into the video.
You crash your Ferrari for Lucky Bona. Now so much you remake with that pain all over. My feelings today swing like Django Lover. Feelings today swing like Timbani at you.
Alright guys, I'm back and my lips are already looking so sexy and plump as ever. LOL. I've already cleaned them off camera, as you can see, with the lip scrub, and you should probably do the same, alright? Anyways, let's get into the video. So now I'm using my lip liner, which I've sharpened, as you can see. And alright, so I'm going to be outlining my lower lips with my eyeliner, as you can see. And you want to be extra careful when doing this, because the last thing you want is to have a crooked line or a line that's not visible or straight enough, and you want to go in for extra visibility, just like that. Now I'll be outlining my upper lip, and look, here's a simple trick you can do to make your lips appear much bigger than they actually are. Now all you have to do is draw above the line, just like that. Yeah, that's perfect. That's perfect. It's looking good. Now the next thing we're going to do is that we're going to be filling in the gaps, just like that. And I want you to think of it like a coloring book, okay, where you have to shade or color a given object. Now all you have to do is just shade in that space or in that area. Just keep on shading to your satisfaction or to when it's looking all right, okay? It's as easy as that. Just shade, okay? Yeah. Alright guys, you just have to keep on shading and shading and shading till you're satisfied, and it's as easy as that, really. Alright, so once we're almost done with that, we're going to be taking the other end of the pencil, as you can see, and we're going to be blending gently. So just blend so it can look evened out and completely natural as possible, okay? And you can go in for extra visibility just to make it look really cute. And we're done. We're done. It's looking cute and really natural. And now it's time for the glossy part, alright? So taking my absolute long-lasting lip gloss, as you can see, I don't know if you can see, but yeah, we are going to be applying the lip gloss. So press gently and apply on your lips generously. Okay, not generously, but just make sure that you're applying a good amount of lip gloss so it shines. It adds to the shine, alright? So you can just go in, put some on the upper lip and then on the lower lip. Just make sure it's looking cute and hot and glossy as possible, alright? And it's looking good. Yeah. And we're done. It's looking gorgeous. I love the look so much. It's really nice.
Alright guys, I don't know if you can see the look, but this is it. I don't know if you guys can see. It's also a simple, nice, soft girl look. Yeah, I'm loving the look and I think it's nice. So yeah, if you like this video, don't forget to give it a really big thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you can get notified whenever I upload a new video. and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.